cough syrup controversy, the Pharmaceuticals Export Promotion Council of India has suspended the membership of Marion Biotech with immediate effect after the company failed to reply to the council. The Pharma Export Board is now taking action, where it's a massive crackdown on Marion Biotech over the cough syrup row. This after several deaths resulted in Uzbek. It's a big crackdown on the Marion Biotech over the cough syrup row, where Marion Biotech's membership has been suspended. Harsha is joining us on the broadcast. Harsha, give us the details of what you know.
In fact, now we are learning that since the investigation yesterday night has been done in the factory of this Marion Biotech, where the CEO officials were present and the samples have been taken, we are learning that the Pharmaceutical Export Promotion Council of India, which is the Pharmex, so the chairman.
All right, so that's the latest that is coming in. Harsha will join us shortly to give us more details of the decision I meant. This is in connection with the cough syrup controversy, where the Pharmaceuticals Export Promotion Council of India has now suspended the membership of Marion Biotech with immediate effect after the company failed to reply to the council. Several deaths in Uzbekistan due to that cough syrup, and the Pharma Export Board has now taken action, where trouble mounting for Marion Biotech. Their membership has been suspended with immediate effect. This after they had not been able to reply to the council. So there on your screens are the details of the Pharma Export Board having taken action against Marion Biotech, where the makers of the cough syrup linked to Uzbek deaths have now been suspended. Remember, they had halted all production and the manufacturing activities were stopped earlier. Now the latest is that their membership has also been suspended by the Pharma Export Board after they had failed to put out any reply on the same. A technical panel was formed in the aftermath of the pharma case. And more breaking news.